In honor of Solarpunk Action Week, I am trying to introduce more non-traditional grains into our diet. So here's some amaranth, which I will boil up as part of our lunch, to go along with some collard greens that I am going to braise. That's kind of a combination between boiling and frying, with some garlic. And the collard greens come from our greenhouse. The plants were bolting, so it's time to pull them out a bit. And then we will eat that along with some beluga lentils, these firm black lentils here, that I am boiling up with some water, vinegar, a bay leaf, also from the garden, and some cloves of garlic. And then I'll make that into a salad with tomatoes, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, more garlic, and some feta cheese. And so that will be my first attempt here at diversifying our diet, getting us away from depending solely on potatoes and the usual suspect grains like oats and rice and sweet corn and wheat. Wheat. Yes, wheat as a major one, because way too much of the global diet is based on these. Way too many of our crops are these, and in this time of climate change, it makes a lot more sense if we start eating. There's something like 20,000 or more edible plants, and we only eat this tiny handful of them, and most of our diet's based on like 10. So one of those 10 is not amaranth, one of those 10 is not collard greens, one of those 10 is not garlic, and one of those 10 is probably also not lentils. So hey, we're making a contribution to the diversity of the human diet here, and hopefully that puts a little bit of pressure on the growers, supply and demand and all that, in my dreams at least anyways, to start diversifying agriculture before it's too late because of climate change. And so here we are. Here's lunch with the lentil salad, the braised collard greens, and the amaranth. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I think I forgot to mention rice. Rice is another one of those grains that we eat way too much of. So, bon appetit, I guess.